It's time to feast yourself. Ever wonder what chickens do when you're not looking? Operation Cover! No chicken escapes from Tweedy's farm!
You've got to get out of here. I know our last escape attempt was a bit of a fiasco.
These chickens are planning a little getaway.
The plan is, we go over the wire.
Hey,
This is
what's going
happening
on?
in every
Bubba,
magazine.
you're sitting on the
When I
remote.
decided,
Huh?
you've got that
Oh,
long
sorry.
strap.
I thought it was a crowd.
Clear your coat.
Found their only hope. Hello, Twinkle Toad. I got a plan, and you're not in it. You can't catch me, Diesel. Losing your sparkle, huh? Perfect time. Now where is that lost inch? You won't find her here. You're not clever enough to stop me. Oh, yes, I am. No, you're not. What is that? That's right. It's sugar, Diesel. And if I throw this in your tank, it'll seize you up for good. Make the most of tonight, Twinkle Toad, because you won't.